Hello students, in this video let us learn how to divide a line segment in the given ratio. So here is the question. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Now initially we have to draw a line segment AB of length 7.6 centimeters. Okay, then what we have to do is some acute angle. Okay, at some acute angle we have to draw a straight ray. Okay, we have to draw a ray. Then what we have to do is, in the question they have given 5:8, right? So we have to add 5 and 8. You will be getting 13. So we are supposed to draw 13 arcs starting from A on this line. And remember, this angle can be anything. Sometimes it's better if you take this as 60 degree. Okay. Now from A, we have to draw 13 arcs. So this is arc number 1. You can see here. Okay. And then from here, you can draw the next arc, 2, and so on. We have to continue till 13. Please note that all the arcs should be equally spaced. Whatever the measurement is, whatever the measurement you take in the first, for the first arc, you have to continue the same till the 13 arcs. Okay. So this is arc number 5. I am naming it as A5. This is arc number 13. Please note that here you can take any acute angle, and this arc length can also be any arc length. Okay, but see to it that you use the same arc length throughout, like what I have done. Now what we are supposed to do is, we have to join the 13th arc to the point B like this. Okay, this line need not be straight, it can be little slanting also, that's not a problem. So you have to join this. Now what we are supposed to do is, we have to draw a line parallel to this line through A5, the 5th point. Why 5? Because the ratio is 5:8. Okay, so now how to draw a parallel line? From A13 you can take the same arc length or any other arc length. So I'll take a little bigger arc length for convenience. So I'm taking this arc and I'm just drawing like this. With the same measurement, you have to again draw from A5. You can see here, you have to do the same thing here also. Now we have to keep the needle here at the intersection point. Okay, and you have to just measure this arc. You have to just measure this arc, how much it is. Okay, so you have to just adjust your compass in such a way that it just touches these 2 points. You can see it here, and the same measurement you have to keep it here at this intersection point, and then you have to cut an arc. Now we have to join A5 through this intersection point to meet AB at some point C. So this is how you divide AB in the ratio 5:8. So now how to verify if what you have done is right? So first you have to measure AC, the parts. Okay, so AC I am getting it as 2.9, as you can see here. So I am getting AC as 2.9 centimeters. Okay, and I am getting .7. I am getting CB as 4.7 centimeters. So this is how you measure the two parts. Okay, now you can also verify if your solution is right, because verification is actually important. So what they have given is 5:8. which means the parts are in the ratio of 5x and 8x. Okay, so when you do 5 by 13 into 7.6, this is just verification, no need to do this, but just get to know how it is done. So the ratios are 5 and 8. 5 by 13, that is 5 out of 13 parts. The total 13 parts, you are taking 5 by 13 into 7.6. Okay, and also 8 by 13 into 7.6, which means the rest 8 by 13 into 7.6. See to it that you get both these values according to this. It can be nearer to this value, it need not be the exact value. So you may be getting nearer to 2.9 and this will be nearer to 4.7. So that is how you verify the solution. Now you can very well see this fragment contains 5 parts. You can see here this fragment contains 5 parts and this fragment contains 8 parts. That is how the whole line segment has been divided in the ratio 5:8. Thank you.